Okay, so I'm Samri. I'll be teaching you Fidel, which comes from Ge'ez, which is an ancient language from the Abyssinian period. So, these are what I wrote. The ones that are highlighted are the ones that non-native speakers usually have a difficult time with. Okay, so there are 34 consonants, and there will be a total of 7 variations for each main Fidel. Okay, so the first one is ha.
La, ha, ma, sa, ra, sa, sha.
So I'll be using red to write all the Fidels which are difficult for non-native speakers to pronounce. Ka. So ka, you say ka. So the difference between ka and ka is in ka, you're forcing the air out, and ka is more, the air stays in your mouth, so ka, ka. Okay.
Ba, ta, cha, ha, na, nya, a, ka, kha, wa, a, za, ja, ya, da, ja, ga, a, cha, pa, sa, sa, fa, pa.
Okay, so let's talk about the Fidels that I just wrote down. So if you've already noticed, there are some Fidels which are pronounced the same, but there are different ways of writing them, and the reason is there are proper nouns which are more formal, and there are also more formal than proper nouns which are religious texts which are written in some forms of the same sound. So I'm going to show you those.
So, this is ha, which is the same as ha. This is pronounced as ha. As well as this is ha. So, this ha is what you use to write names with. It's called Hameruha.
For instance, my mom's name is Hamera, and you would never write it using the first ha. You'd write it using Hamaruha. And then
if you're writing Exabihir, which means God in Amharic, you'd use the variation of this ha, the third ha. Okay. And then there's two other ones which are pronounced the same way. Okay, let me show you those now. Okay, so there's the sa and sa. And then there is the most difficult fidel to pronounce. So there's this sa and this sa. So the second sa is the most used one that I've noticed.
Next, we'll be learning the variations for all the 34 fidels.
For each fidel, there's consonants and vowels. So there's all the ones that I showed you today are the consonant plus an A sound. So ha, le, ha, me, se, re, se, she, ke, be, te, che, ha, ne, nye, a, ke, he, we, ze, je, ye, de, je, ge, te, che, be, tse, tse, fe, pe. And then there's the second variation, which has the consonant plus the U sound. So there's the ha, and then there's hu, which is the second one. Anyways, I'll be doing that in the next video.